In this video, I'm going to show you how to add reCAPTCHA to your contact form to avoid receiving spam messages. What is reCAPTCHA? reCAPTCHA is I'm not a robot tickbox. There is reCAPTCHA v2 and reCAPTCHA v3. We are going to use reCAPTCHA v2 because if you try to use reCAPTCHA v3, you could get blocked when trying to sign in to your website. Come to the website google.com/reCAPTCHA/about/ and on the top click on v3 admin console. Now you need to register your website. I'm going to type my own website. Just type your own and select v2. Keep I'm not a robot checkbox on. Add your website domain name again. Click on submit. And now you are going to receive your site key and secret key. You need to copy both site key and secret key to your Elementor settings where your contact form is installed. So come back to your website WordPress dashboard and make sure you have Elementor installed and Pro Elements, which is actually Elementor Pro completely for free. So if you missed that video on how to get Elementor Pro for free to use professional widgets for designing your website, click on the link in the description down below. On the left hand side, select Elementor and click on Settings. Now click on Integrations, and here is reCAPTCHA. We need to paste site key and secret key. Copy your site key, right click paste. Same for secret key, right click copy and right click paste. Now scroll down and save changes. Now edit your homepage website where your contact form is installed. Find your contact form, click on it, and we need to add label reCAPTCHA to it. Under form fields, click on add item. Under type, click on it and select reCAPTCHA. For the label, just name it reCAPTCHA. And as you can see, reCAPTCHA is going to automatically appear. Click on update to save changes. Next to update button, click on preview changes. We are going to test reCAPTCHA to see if it is working. Scroll down to your contact form. Click on I'm not a robot. And as you can see, it is working. Your reCAPTCHA is ready to go. Thank you for watching this video until the end. My name is Tom, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel.